It's my favorite time of the day. It's mail day, and this is fabric mail time of the day. It's mail time, fabric mail time, that's what it is. I got this huge box from Boho Fabrics, and I'm so excited to share with you all. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, and I thought, yeah, we gotta do it together. Let me show you what I got. I'm so excited to dive into this box. So much fabric. Got my list of fabrics. It is 2 pages long, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I got, and I'm gonna show you and tell you exactly what I think I'm gonna make with them. So cute, and it's so full. All right, I don't know what I'm gonna start with, but I wanna start with both. I'm gonna put this one aside, and we're gonna start with this beautiful one right here, Boho Fabric sticker. Oh, I mean, I'm loving all the colors already. I knew I would, but anyway. I'm gonna peel this one nicely because I want to keep my sticker. Okay. Let's get into it. All right, I'm gonna put this aside and open it up in a minute. We're gonna start with, okay, so we've got some woven fabrics, non-stretch. So these are non-stretch fabrics. This one's a non-stretch fabric. And I wanna open it here so I can show you more of a close-up view of it. This is a very lightweight. So you can see it's got a little sheerness to it. But if you wear it, if you have like a lining for the bodice, this will be perfect. It's super light and flowy. Close-up of it, it's like a navy blue background with these beautiful florals. It is so pretty. This is the Marrow Floral Chiffon Woven. It's so light. Actually no, I think this is the Evening Blooms. Yeah, this is the Evening Blooms, the Evening Blooms on navy blue cotton woven fabric. I was gonna say, I don't think this is a chiffon. This is super, super nice. I love this dress. I'm obsessed with this one. It is WVP 219, if you were wondering. So, so pretty. Okay, next we've got, 2 of them are trying to come at the same time. Here is a stretch mesh. This is so pretty. I saw a picture of this and I fell in love. Obviously, if you're making something like a dress, you're going to need to line it, and you can use like a lightweight stretch lining. And sometimes actually I use double brush poly for lining, and I know a lot of people don't love double brush poly, so that's really, you know, your fabric choice. I don't like to try super heavy fabrics, but with this stretch lace, I think I'm gonna do it more of like a flowy dress is what I'm hoping to accomplish with this. But this would also be great for like cover-ups and stuff like that, or like some of those cover-up pants, like the palazzo pant cover-up pants. This is so beautiful. This is a stretch mesh, and it is Rust Florals Stretch Mesh SMP 112, and I'll write this information on the caption below, so if you want to look them up. So pretty. I love this. Oh, and I'm gonna give you more of a close-up here. It's a mesh, and it's got, let me see, it's got some nice little bit of stretch. Okay, got a lot of florals. Here is another beautiful floral. So pretty. This is a chiffon. Now this is a chiffon because it's like so light and soft. This one is the Mary Floral. No, this is the, I am so sorry y'all. I gotta go look at the picture. This is the Sunset Flowerscape Chiffon Woven Fabric. And look at how pretty that is. It is WVP 219, and actually I'll put them on here, but I'll let them underneath so you can go look at them, make sure that I'm giving you the right numbers. Look at how pretty that is, those flowers with the different colors. This is another one that's a little bit sheer, so it would be great for a cover up and stuff like that. But also if you wanted to use it as a dress, this would be great, or a skirt or pants. You just have to line them. Those palazzo pants will look so cute. And if you wanted to build in like some shorties, like some black shorties or whatever underneath them, they are so, so cute. I love this. I got another chiffon here, and this is the Merry Floral Chiffon Woven WVP 206. This one Emily showed on a little reel, and I fell in love. How beautiful are those flowers? It is so pretty. It's a little see-through. It is so flowy. This is great for like flowy skirts and all kinds of stuff. I'm so excited about it. If you have any pattern recommendations for chiffon fabric, drop them below. I want to see them. The next one, I am so obsessed, and I got a couple of I think I had another one. It might be over here. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I got some swim fabrics because it's summertime and I have a couple plans for some swim sews, so I'm super excited about it. I got a solid black swim, and it's got really nice stretch and recovery. And then I got this other kind of abstract looking print, which I am obsessed with. I think this is so gorgeous. I love it. This is the Koi Pond Abstract Swim Print Knit Fabric, and it is P Swim 335. I'm sorry, I can't speak. It is so beautiful. Again, really nice stretch and recovery. I love it, and they match perfectly because obviously it's got the black on there, and you can never go wrong with black, so I love it. Okay, this one, it is so beautiful. This is a Bright Mint Eyelet knit fabric, and I got a bunch of this because I thought, whoop, there went my paper. Let me get it. I thought this was gorgeous, and I wanted to make all the things. A beautiful dress, or cover up, or I mean so many things with it. It is so pretty, and here's the stretch, really good stretch and recovery. I love it. This is Eyelet 101. It's what this one's called, well, what the code is. And then from this package, this is the last one, and you all know I am obsessed with French terry. So when I saw this colorway, I had to have it. With French terry, I've made, there goes my paper again. I've made so many different things with French terry. I've made dresses, I've made t-shirts, I've made bottoms, I've made sweaters. I love the texture of the French terry on the back. I love this look. I feel like it would be cute too, like if you wanted to, you could do the reverse for color blocking, or if you wanted to do like the shirt to be this color and the neckband to be on the wrong side. I think that that would look so beautiful. This is really nice quality French terry. It's super soft, and it's got really good stretch. It's not like a stiff French terry. It's just super soft French terry. This one is called Abstract Pebbles French Terry Printed Knit Fabric FTP 466. It's so beautiful. I love it. And now we're gonna get into the other package. Ooh. And one of the things that I was really excited to get, and I'm gonna show you before I show you the fabric, get this out. I got some pattern weights. I'm so excited about them. This is the Boho Blue Mosaic Deluxe Pattern Weights. It's a set of 7. I wanted some new pattern weights, and I'm excited for these. I'm gonna show you, they do have some weight on them. Oh my goodness, look at that. And they have felt at the bottom, so they're not going to snag your fabric. So cute. I love them, and they put them in this little padded little box, so you can keep the box and keep your weight in there. Look how cute. I love these tiles. I am obsessed. I love them so much. I love them. They are so, so cute. And they all have that felt in the back. I love them. All right. And then more fabric. Look at this gorgeousness here. This is verbena, periwinkle, variegated rib knit fabric. This is a rib knit, so it is a not woven, a knit fabric. It's got stretch on it. And how beautiful is this? Look at the inside. It's like this ribbing on the inside, but it's like so soft and just flowy. I think this would make like a beautiful anything. And even it's so soft, I'm like thinking this would make great sleepwear. And sometimes I'm like, I don't want to use such nice fabric for sleepwear, but I mean, I wear sleepwear around the house, loungewear all the time. It's like the thing that I wear the most. So it would get so much use, and it's so soft. Here is the selvage, which means that the stripes go up and down this way, and it is so, so pretty. I love this one. So soft. I am not kidding you, it's so soft. Okay, next is another woven, and I'm really obsessed about this one. The colors are beautiful. I have a pattern in mind to use for this, and it is, I can't wait to share it with you. I love the colors on this right here. This is the Retro Waves Cotton Silk Woven. It's a silk woven. It is so, so drapey, so stinking light, but it's not really see-through. So, I mean, it's a little, but not really once you put it against your body. It is so beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna try to show it a little close up here. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeousness. But again, it's woven, so there's no stretch. This is probably one of my favorites. It's gorgeous. All right, so we're getting down. Next, I've got some Lascott Space Garden on navy. This is a cotton spandex print. It's 107 NVY or CLP 108. I'm not sure if there's any more because it was Lascott's, but it's a navy. It's a thicker fabric, but it's super soft, and it's got really nice stretch and recovery. It is so, so soft. It is beautiful. I love this for like undergarments. I might make some biker shorts to wear like under my dresses and stuff like that, because you know I like to wear that stuff underneath it just for comfort. And this fabric is really easy, like soft and breathable, so I love this for that. And even dresses, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff with it. Then, because I got excuse me. Then, because I got those see-through lightweight fabrics, I got myself some lining. This is interlock lining in black. It's just very lightweight, simple, some stretch, but this is great for like lining fabric or making yourself like a slip dress. A lot of times instead of lining the dress, I like to, and if you've seen a lot of dresses come with like a slip dress underneath it, this is great fabric for that, to just make a little slip dress, like a cami dress, and you can wear it underneath your garments that are a little see-through. So I got a bunch of this because I'm gonna use it with different things. And last but not least, I was so excited about these stripes. This is a double brush poly. It's also a last cut, so I don't know if there's any more of them. It's a playful rainbow stripe on white, double brush poly BP 110 WHT. Look at how pretty that is. The color on those stripes, it's beautiful. And of course, double brush poly has some really good stretch and recovery, and it is so soft. That is one thing about Boho Fabrics. If you have not tried them, make sure you do so. They are so great at quality control, great fabrics, beautiful bold colors. Anytime, any fabric you get, you're gonna be happy about, because it's so, it's just good fabric, good quality. I am obsessed. Now, tell me below which one was your favorite fabric of the ones I got. So many. Comment below and let me know. Oh, there was one more thing I did not open that I got, and it was just some buttons. That's it, some buttons, nothing fancy, buttons to go along. So I'm gonna put those aside. But anyway, just let me know which one was your favorite fabric that you sew, and give me any tips and tricks, or any tips and tricks on sewing with some of this fabric. But also, I meant to say pattern recommendations for all these different fabrics. If you are looking for gorgeous fabrics, make sure you check out Boho. I'm gonna add the link on the information box below. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!